Hey folks, welcome back to Goettl Homeowners Tips. I'm Eric Guyton, your trusty host, and today we will be diving into an exciting topic, upgrading to a high-efficiency furnace. If you're looking to keep your home cozy while saving on energy costs, this is the episode for you. High-efficiency furnaces are all about getting the most bang for your heating buck. These furnaces are designed to extract more heat from the same amount of fuel, which means they're not only eco-friendly, but also easy on your wallet. Let's talk savings. Upgrading to a high-efficiency furnace leads to significant energy savings. Because they use less fuel, these furnaces help lower your monthly energy bills. Plus, many areas offer incentives and rebates for installing high-efficiency systems. Let's not forget about the environment. High-efficiency furnaces are kinder to our planet. They produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Before you rush to upgrade, there are some key considerations to keep in mind. Factors like the size of your home, the type of fuel available, and your budget will influence your decision. That's where our experts at Goettl come in. We'll assess your needs and guide you to the perfect high-efficiency furnace.